Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amrit Raj. I am the lead instructor at Srijan Institute and Training Center Noida. So I am going to plan a playlist for you all where we are going to discuss a informative session on different concept of SAP, where we will be covering lots of modules and lots of technology that SAP is launching on a regular basis. So let's start with SAP UI5 and Fiori. What is SAP UI5? So UI5 is nothing but a framework which is developed by SAP based on JavaScript. So in your college, let's say if you are from an IT background, you might be learning a programming language called JavaScript, which is an object-oriented programming language. This is an open source programming language. So SAP saw that using this programming language, lots of developers are developing front-end application. So what they did, they simply used this programming language and they developed their own framework and they named it UI5. This particular framework came in 2012, and earlier they came with a tool on which this programming language was used by the developers to develop the application. That tool was called Web IDE. But around in 2020, they simply made this particular tool as obsolete, and they came with a new tool which they named it Business Application Studio. Now using this Business Application Studio, you can simply develop your Fiori application directly on SAP Cloud platform, which is called SAP BTP. So over the period of time, SAP evolved a lot and they added some development guidelines with UI5, and later on it was called Fiori. So Fiori is nothing but your own UI5 framework with some good development guidelines which you can use to develop the industry standard applications. Now once you are developing this application, you can deploy those Fiori application on Fiori Launchpad or SAP Workzone on SAP BTP platform. You can also connect this application directly with your SAP HANA database via the Cloud Connector. This Cloud Connector will act as a bridge, and you will be able to expose your ERP data to your front-end application, as well as you can simply send your data from the front-end app to the HANA database, and it will be saved there. Okay. So if you have interest, let's say you are a web developer, or even you belong from any other IT background and you want to learn this Fiori, you want to develop this SAP application, or you are looking for a job in SAP as a front-end developer, you can simply learn it. If you are looking for an industry standard training, you can join us where we will help you. Thank you.